Welcome to the day 11, and today I'm going to share my opinion about how to attract a particular person in your life with the law of attraction. After my first video came about the law of attraction, I got many requests, and the people were asking me that is it possible to attract a particular person by using the same laws which I have described. See, law of attraction always works. It's like gravity, as I always tell you. Whatever you are feeling, you are attracting. That is for sure. Because as gravity works all the time, even the law of attraction, the same way, works all the time. But now, when you say that you have to attract a particular person, so the things changes a little. There are people who are trying to use the law of attraction to attract love in their life, or maybe the friends, a particular friend in their life. But at certain point they get disappointed that it's not working. It is not working because you have not understood it. You never say that electricity is not working. If it happens, so you know that somewhere the things are not right, the things are not fixed. Otherwise, electricity works all the time. It is a law. Exactly. The law of attraction is the same. It always works. But when it comes to attracting a person, things change. So, why things change when it comes to a person? That you need to understand first. When you use a law of attraction, like a magnet, you attract things in your life. Everything around you is an energy. The energy which is impartial, the energy which is non judgmental. So, if you want to attract a car in your life or a particular house in your life, you can attract it, you can do so by investing your energy and doing certain procedure which I have described in an earlier video. So if you want to know the law of attraction in particular, I would suggest all of you to see my earlier video which is about law of attraction, how it works, how it started, and how you can put and if it is not working in your life, so what is wrong. So everything I've explained in my earlier video, that you can have a look. But this particular video I am covering only if you have to attract a person, an emotional energy, a living energy. Energy is always living, but living and life are different. Here, if you have to differentiate it, a tree is living, uh, a car which you want to attract is energy, it's living. So everything is a living energy. When I say life, I'm talking about human beings. That when you are not just an energy, but you also a different creator. So here today we are going to talk about only attracting a particular person, which is an emotional life you are trying to attract with the law of attraction. There are few things that you need to understand it completely before you want to attract a particular person in your life. When you say that I'm trying to attract a person but I'm not able to do it for certain reasons, you need to understand the background first, why it is not working. Every soul, you, me, and every living human being has a soul inside, which has come to this earth to experience certain things in life, to have certain experiences. While it is moving towards a certain path, it experiences the journey. All of us are moving to the same destination. Today or tomorrow, we all are going to meet at a certain godly place. But the difference is about the path which we are taking. Someone has taken the path of art, someone has taken the path of social causes, but everyone has a different, unique path which we have taken, and we all are reaching at a certain place. So every soul is taking a different path. And in this path, you meet different people which are required for you in that path. For example, using a map in the path. You are not attached to the map, but it is required. So it can show you the direction. So every soul has a journey. So when you say that I am trying to attract a person, so in the literal sense you mean that there's a soul who is on a journey. You are trying to attract to that soul. Even you are a soul. This body is just a fictitious thing you are wearing, like the clothes you wear. Like somebody is wearing the attire of an animal. So it's temporary. It doesn't last long. A soul is eternal. Body is temporary. So when you put out the energy to the universe to attract a particular person, 101% that energy reaches to that person. That's the way the law of attraction works. But 101% that energy is reaching to that person. That is for sure. So why it doesn't work sometimes? Why you were in a relationship with someone, but now that guy has changed. You were in a living relationship with someone, but now the girl has decided to move on, and you're trying to get her back. So if you are putting the energy out to the universe and giving to that person, why it is not working? As a soul one day decides to change this body, and the moment soul takes the decisions, the mind knows about it months in advance. Like a bird knows about the changing weather months and years in advance, the same way your mind comes to know about it, that the soul has decided to change the body. And mind tries all the tricks to keep this body alive, because mind knows once the soul is out of this body, this dead body is of no use. A sort of feeling, communication through emotion happens between mind and the soul, wherein the mind tries to convince the soul not to leave this body. It happens. The final decision rests in the hands of the soul. But in case soul decides, okay, I can wait for few more months. The soul can wait. If the soul decides, no, I have to go, so it goes. If the soul decides, okay, let me wait for another 2 years or 3 years, so it can wait. At the level of the soul, for no there is no time. So for a soul, 1 minute or 1 year is almost the same. But if the soul decides, let me wait for a few more years, it waits back. So the mind knows about it, that the soul has decided to go. There are people, so many people in the hospitals, in the ICU. They are in the state wherein the mind is trying to hold back the body and the soul is saying, okay, I'll give you some time. But when the soul decides, no, it has to go. So no matter what best the mind can decide, mind can choose, it is of no use because soul is the ultimate boss. Ultimate boss. Once it decides, it will go. That's why they say the life is very uncertain. You don't know when you're going to die. You don't know how long you're going to live. You don't know anything. When you're trying to do this law of attraction on a person, you are trying to play the same thing which your mind is playing, mind is trying to convince to the soul. The person you love has a soul, has a journey. And when you throw energy through law of attraction and try to attract this person, maybe the person will get to know about it little late, but the soul knows that some calling has happened. And it happens at the speed of light. You might sitting for the meditation and for just for a second the throw of the energy was so powerful that the other soul is catching it. So it may not happen that you are sending the continuous throws, but even just for a second the other soul knows about it because ultimately we are all are the same. So it's like talking to one own self. So when you try to do the law of attraction and the other soul of the other person knows about it, then it's the choice of the soul. Whether it has to come back permanently, whether it has to come back temporary, whether it has to come back for a few days, or whether it doesn't have to come back at all. Because now that soul has a journey. Now the soul will take a call that whether being with this person will help with that journey or not. You may have seen that you are trying to attract a person, he comes back for a certain time, and after a certain time the same thing happens. You will try to attract a particular girl, she calls you but she is not interested in you. Because here when you use the law of attraction, you are not dealing with a raw energy which can take any form and comes to you, which is non-judgmental, which is impartial. So it comes to you. But here the two souls, different journey, or maybe the same journey, are trying, this soul, your soul, is trying to attract this soul. So it happens that this is not a raw energy. This person, this soul which you are trying to attract, has the unique experiences like you, has a unique upbringing like you, different friends, different perception about life. So this is not a raw energy which you can just easily attract like money or something. So this happens when you try to attract the law of attraction for a person. It may not work because attracting other things in life and attracting a person is totally different. If somebody is telling you that I can bring this person back in your life and giving you 100% guarantee, please understand that it's not going to happen. No one can give you a guarantee because ultimately soul is the boss. The soul has to decide. This is the basic thing when you are trying to attract a person. You are like playing a gambling. It may work, it may not work. This is the first part of it. The second part of it, the attraction part of it. So where the energy goes, in case you try to pull that soul, so where that energy is going if that soul is not interested, because something has to respond back. If you throw a ball and that ball has not bouncing well, but it has to, when it touches the wall, it has to come back. It may fall at the same place, it may come back to you at the same speed, but some reaction has to happen. Because in the universe, it is not happen that any action is not getting a equal and opposite reaction. So if you throw out something to the universe, it is going to bounce back to you. That is a law. It's not possible that you are bouncing back, it is not coming to you. It is not possible. Or if it is not coming to you, it is going somewhere. But every thought which you hold in your mind has a very powerful, it's a very powerful energy. So once you think about something, it goes up to the universe and it has some reflection, it has something effect on your life. It is going to come back. So when you use this law of attraction to attract a person, so where this energy is going, if that soul chooses not to come back to you, the other soul, you and the other soul which you are trying to attract, it may take a call to come back, to come to you permanently. It may take a call to come back, to come to you for temporary things, things, for temporary time. It may take a call to not to come to you this time. That is the catch. I'll tell you from my own example. This girl I loved, my first love of my life. She left me. I was crying. I was at a terrible times. I was at the bottom. I was at the rock. I hit the rock bottom. It was a very bad time. I did everything. I read about law of attraction. I did everything, but she did not come to me. It's been, I'm talking about the time almost 15 years back, 10 15 years back. Now I'm married with a beautiful wife, I have a beautiful girl, I have a lovely family, beautiful daughter, everything I have. And the person about whom I tried to do the law of attraction almost more than a decade ago, last year or so, she has come in contact with me by her own. She is married, she is having a good life, but she wants to be with me at the same time. She wants to have my company. I've never seen her so much into me. We are good friends, but she wants to be with me. So you don't know when that law is going to respond. You don't know that. I've told you it's a gambling. But 101% it will respond. In this life or next life, it is going to happen. So don't use this law of attraction on a person like you use law of attraction on other things. It will not work. Because here you are trying to use the law with a emotional energy which has experiences, perception, wants, likes, dislikes, everything like you have. It may happen that somebody is trying to attract you and you are not responding to it. So this energy is going to respond to you, but you don't know when and how much time. This is other part of it. That first part we discussed, that if you are trying to use the law of attraction, when it comes to the person, it works differently. Secondly, it works for sure, but you don't know the time. Third, what should you do? In case you are waiting for someone desperately, so what should you do? For the next 21 days, I'm sharing the few exercises which you can do that will instigate the other soul, that will convince to the other soul to come to you. But if it is not working in 21 days, you can move on. That I'm going to cover in the next part. So if you like someone desperately and you want that person in your life, it may be your love of your life, it may be your friend, it may be someone else. The first thing for the next 21 days you will do, stop thinking negative. See, it's a commitment. You're trying to move the mountain, so you have to put some efforts. You have to put some emotional and physical efforts to it. And you have to make a commitment. If you want that person very desperately, you need to have a commitment to it. Don't think negative. If in case it happens that you start thinking negative, change the thought. You can write it down somewhere. Maybe you can, whenever you catch yourself having a negative thought, you can speak to your mind that you don't have to think about it. So try avoiding negativity as much as possible. Not just negative thoughts, but negative people, negative environment. You can't just change your house and go to live somewhere else. You can't change, stop living with your parents. There may be people who will say that at my house the environment is not positive. You can't change everything, but start with yourself, start with your own thoughts. Next thing, go to some Photoshop application, or there are many applications. Make a wedding card. Wedding card, write your name, write his or her name, write the name of the parents, a formal wedding card. The third thing, meditate with the fire. Focus on the burning candle. And hear the wedding bells. For example, if अगर आप हिंदू हैं, for example, you're a Hindu, so the mantra which plays in the marriage, that you can play on a YouTube, maybe you can play on the earplugs and hear it for 10 minutes while you look at the fire. The burning candle, the flame of it, just look at the flame for at least 10 minutes, and during that 10 minutes, if you are a Christian, whatever the wedding process it goes on, hear that on YouTube or any application for 10 minutes. Do this for 21 days. And while you do this, while you focus on the burning candle, you know the person you have in your mind. Do this for 21 days. 90% plus, I can guarantee that person will come to you as soon as possible. But I can't give you guarantee that he is going to marry you, if he is going to come to you and just be like you the way you want, because I have no control on anyone's journey. There are people who trying to control it through black magic. What exactly is black magic? There's a soul who is going on a journey and this person is trying to control that journey. It's like playing with the fire, trying to control the fire, and ultimately it burns you. If you ask me if I can do that, the answer may be yes, answer may be no, but I don't do that. I don't interfere in anyone's journey. Every soul has a journey. I respect that. Coming back to my story. So when I was trying to attract this girl, I could not understand what went wrong. Why God is not listening to me? I didn't do it for 21 days. I did it for 21 months. Still, that girl did not came to my life. But today if I look back, I could understand, okay, that was it. This was the thing. Now that law of attraction has worked, but at the same time, my soul was wanting me to take a certain path, and maybe that was the main reason. That pain was the main reason that I am here before you guys. That is the main reason I could relate to you when you send me the messages that you want to attract some person. You are trying to attract person through law of attraction, because I know that you are desperate, you love deeply, but something you need to understand more about the law of attraction. You are trying to attract a particular soul. My friends, these are the basic things you need to understand. I know it is easier said than done when I say about the moving on. Although you will move on, but that person will come to you sooner or later or next life, because this 21 days which you are going to do, it's very powerful. It's very powerful. You are a powerhouse. Just that when you are in pain, you don't realize it. When you say that I can't live without a particular person, X or A, B, C, whoever it is, what exactly you mean? You mean that your mind is used to your mind, body, your soul is used to a certain experience of love, to a certain experience of understanding. And you feel that if this person has gone out of my life, I can't have that same experience. My friends, if you think this way, I must say that you have not experienced love at all. Because love is a freedom that you feel. And it follows you everywhere like a shadow. While I hope and really pray that whoever you want in your life comes to your life. But the love and happiness is never, never, ever attached to a certain person. I have guided you about this 21 days, a simple exercise to attract a person. But at the same time, I am telling you that you deserve much more love in your life than you think. You think that only this person can give you love? Please, while you meditation about it, expand your vision and perception about love. I can relate to it because I have gone through the same experience very immensely. But at the same time, I'm telling you, while I have gone through that pain, I'm thankful to God for that pain because without that, I would have not reached to this stage. It's like I'm sitting at the top of the mountain. I could see you climbing up, and you're telling me it is not possible. And I'm telling you all you require to just keep trying, keep trying. You don't know through this 21 days exercise whether that person will come or not. But one thing I can tell you for sure in this 21 days, you will find yourself. Your perception and vision about love will expand. Keep doing the meditation which I'm giving you guys daily. But this love meditation, do it for 10 minutes. That's it. But do it for 21 days. I mean, you will, this small exercise, but it will bring a very big change in your life. And you will start to realize it in few days only. When my relationship broke up, I thought it's the end of the life. I could see everywhere was a darkness. I could not see a way ahead where I have to go, what I have to do, what I should do with the money I'm earning, what I'm going to do, what are the, because in my mind I have created a story more than living with that person. That was one thing which was happening. I was with that person, we were living, we were dating, we were making love, everything was happening at one point. But on the other side, in my mind, I have created a story wherein I'm the husband, she is the wife, we have kids, we have a good family farm, we have good family income. I'm singing this song, she is reacting like this way, we are going to vacation. So, in the mind, I have made a story and I wanted to marry her mostly because I wanted to live that story. And when she left me, I thought this story is gone. And maybe now I realize that that was the biggest reason of that pain. That I was not able to live the story which I have created in my mind. That was the biggest reason. And same somewhere is happening to you. I'm not saying that you don't love. I really appreciate it. I really value it. But the wrong thing is you feel that without this person your life has come to a dead end. You don't know. Many big things in life starts from that dead end only. If you love him, if you love her very truly, and if she or he has decided to leave you, do this meditation for 21 days. Try to convince that soul, and if it happens, they will come to you for sure. If it is not happening, understand that soul has a different journey. It will take some time. While I am not going to wait for it, because if I'm thirsty and there is no water in the room, I can't just die. I'll search it somewhere else and I'll find the water and I'll keep myself alive because this life is very precious to me. Let it go. If you love them, maybe they don't understand you right now. You let them go if it is not working for 21 days. While at the same time, I'm telling you, if your soul has brought you to this experience, to my words, there is a reason behind it, which you have to discover by following the meditation which I have just told you. Don't beg. I understand that mostly it happens with the girls that after a certain age, they have a society and family pressure to get married. That people want them to get married, and if you break up at your 30 and you're 30 plus and you break up, You feel like, oh my god, I have no time again to once again find a person, build this rapport and build this relationship, whatnot. I would, for these people, I would say trust the universe and follow the exercise I have told you. You feel you are 30 plus and the society and parents have a saying, but you believe in yourself, you believe in the universe. For a universe, big things comes like this, like in a flash. Maybe you're waiting for 10 years, you say it's not working. It is happening behind the scenes. You don't know behind the scenes. It's like an audience, you're sitting and you're waiting the curtains to just open up and you see a movie, and you're waiting and you feel like shit, it's not working. But I'm telling you, you can't see past through the curtain, but something is happening behind that. Actors are getting prepared. Someone somewhere is getting prepared for you. That person you love, through your meditation, is getting slow and slow instigations to call you, to keep checking on you. Something is happening behind the scenes. Something is happening behind that curtain you can't see. That curtain is just an illusion. It is not there. Your mind has created that curtain like an illusion. You will realize it. You will realize it in 21 days. The meditation which I have guided you, do it. Not just you will realize, not just you will get communication from that other person in some or the other way. It's going to happen. Maybe the soul will decide it will not marry, or maybe it will come to your life after that, but you will see a communication from that person. It's going to happen. So, do this and you will see the results. Don't do it desperately, that I did today, what next? I did today, what next? Do it like sowing the seeds in the ground, with a faith, with a belief that it is going to, a big tree is going to come out of it. You can't see a seed, you can't see a tree in the seed, but it is there. You can't see it with your naked eyes, but you can see it with your belief. So, with that belief, do this. If you get desperate, you will push it more in, away from your life. The things you get desperate about, it moves away from you. But the things you desire with faith, it pulls to you. It pulls towards you. The universe has few laws and it's clear, and it simply works that way. If you're getting feeling restless, if you're feeling stressed out, if something is not working, so it is with you, not with the universe. That you have to get clear. If you not wake up tomorrow early in the morning, the sun will rise. The birds will have food. The trees are going to dance. Everything in the nature is going to happen without your consciousness, without your observation, without anything. It is going to occur. So if you have to dance along with that tune in the with the universe, try to match your energy to that level. So the wedding card, prepare a normal wedding card and see it on your phone. See a lightning candle, the flame of the candle, watch it for 10 minutes. While you watch it, hear the wedding chants or the wedding mantras, whatever happens. Do it for 21 days. You will see a response 101%. It is going to happen. But if somebody is telling you, I will bring that person in 5 days, please stay away from that person, because I have came through many experiences wherein people are getting cheated, getting fooled. Don't do that. The way you trust gravity, the same way you trust the law of attraction, it works, it works, it works. So, all these things are there. The mental story which you have prepared, stop living it, and focus on the meditation. If you feel that your life is not going to work without this person, keep that aside for 21 days and focus on this. If you feel desperate to see that person, meet that person, tell your heart that what you are doing with true intention is for that person only. So just take good care of yourself. Life works in a very magical way. Maybe you don't see a ray of hope at this point of time, but if your soul has brought you to this words of mine, so there is something. There is no dead end. When you walk towards the dead end, instead that you see a dead end and you walk with a faith that the dead end is there, you don't know which way the universe is going to move you. When you drive in the night, you don't see the whole road. You just see with the headlights, you just see a little road ahead. But still you keep driving because you know you can't see the entire road, but there is a way. There is a way. So even in this darkness, do this exercise which I have told you every day. Every day you will see a little road, and keep driving, keep driving, keep driving. You're not still conscious about your soul's journey, but it is going to happen very soon. And my words, you can only hear it when you have reached at a certain level of energy. There are so many participants in a group, but only few of them will hear this. The other will for some reason could not hear this, maybe for office or something. But sooner or later they are going to come to this message. Sooner or later somebody who wants to listen to this message, the soul will bring that person to this message. Maybe tomorrow I'm there or not. But through this message, the universe will keep inspiring people that the law of attraction works to the precise second. But when it when you have to use the same laws for a particular person, so there are certain things you need to understand. When you are dealing with a child, you behave differently. When you are dealing with an adult, you behave differently. With a boss, differently. You are the same person. You have the same experiences. You have the same compassion. You have the same kindness. When it comes to different person, you behave differently. The same way, when it comes to law of attraction, you are trying to pull. Imagine somebody is trying to pull you like this. If you want to go or not. It may happen that you say, okay, I understood, let me come to you. It may happen you will say, no, I will not come to you. Because that is your choice. It's my choice if I have to do it or not, if I have to go or not. The same way. And if you, at the other hand, if you are picking a stone, the stone will not ask you where you are taking me, whether you will take me and keep in the temple, whether you throw me in the ocean, whether you will make a house out of it. The stone will not question you back. That's how you attract money, that's how you attract luxury in your life, because it will not answer you back, it will just come to you like a blind man following the person. But when you are trying to attract a particular person, he is not blind, he can see. And it may happen that the way you want to go, he is not ready to go with you. So you don't know. This is the gambling, if I say. So this gambling is not yes or no. No here means no as per your expectations at this point of time. It may happen you will say, I want to marry this person next month. No, maybe from that soul and doesn't want that. Maybe that soul wants after 1 year or 2 year, or maybe that soul wants to reunite you in the next birth, or maybe after when that soul wants to experience, marry someone else, get divorced and come back to you. You don't know what that soul is choosing, the path. You can't force it. You can only pray for it. And pray with the conviction and faith and believe that what you're praying, they are listening. And I hope that you are listening to me. And the vibrations you feel right now in the body, the joy you feel in your heart, your soul is saying that this was it. This was the reason I brought you here. So I wish, I bless every person in this earth. Whoever you love, you get him. You get her. Everyone. You get the person of your life. The delay which you see is delay as per your expectation and as per the story. It's not the delay from the universe, because universe sees no time. So maybe the soul has asked to come to you in a different way, not in the way you are projecting in your story. So understand that difference, and it will help you to take decisions and take some tough decisions in your life and move on. So it's a time for meditation. So let's meditate together for some time. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Take it from the navel. See that person you want to attract in your life. See that person. Imagine both of you in your house, at your favorite destination, at the wedding hall, wherever you want to imagine. Imagine that person right in front of you, with you. You guys are very happy. You guys are very, 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 very happy. This feeling is amazing. Isn't it? The smile that brought you on your face, the tears in your eyes, says it all. That this is an amazing feeling. This is the magic of life. What you are seeing right now, it's not your imagination. It's this event is happening somewhere at some corner of this universe. It is actually happening right now. It is in the metaphysical world. So this is not a fiction which you are seeing. This is a reality you are seeing in the metaphysical world, which is happening right now. So if this could happen here, this could happen actually in your life. But when it comes to the physical life, the soul has a journey. The details I have told you. The soul, it's other soul's call what it has to do. But this beautiful feeling of being with someone you love so dearly, it's amazing. I bless you. I bless you from the bottom of my heart that you get this love in your life. I bless you to the amazing feeling which I feel when I am with a person I love. You experience the same. I bless you that you marry soon if you're expecting. I bless you with a beautiful baby. I bless you with eternal love, light, and happiness. I bless you. And I bless you from the power I have inside me, the God inside me. I bless you. I bless you. I bless you. I could say it infinite times. And every time I have the same energy when I bless you. I love you so much. I'm happy that our paths crossed in this life. You wanted to hear these words. You have told me. You have brought yourself to this experience, and I've told you that I'll come and I'll speak to you about it. I'll speak to you. You wanted to meet me? I'm right here in front of you with all my love, with all my blessings. And I'm telling you that you are the best, and I love you very much. Don't hear the people, they say that you have some problems. Don't stop listening to that family members who has so many complaints with you. I'm telling you, I decide. I am the ultimate authority. I am telling you that you are beautiful, and if you can't see a way, there is a way. Just wait. I'm going to unfold it very soon. Just trust me. Keep walking. If you fall, rise up and walk again. Keep walking. You are coming towards me. There is no other way. No matter you have to pass through the darkest tunnels, no matter you have to be with people who are not doing good to you, trust me, I could see everything. I could see everything. You will not take a turn or decision without my will. I know what you are choosing. I know what is going to come. Trust me. I could see you coming towards me. Sooner or later, we are going to reunite. Sooner or later, we are going to reunite. We are going to reunite. Keep walking. Enjoy this. Don't fear. Don't think that who will love you, what will happen if you will not marry, what will happen if you have no money. I have fixed everything for you. Maybe you don't see it now, but keep walking. Keep walking. I have lined up people, opportunities, and so many things for you which you can't see now. I know you're driving in the dark. Keep driving. I'm there. I could see you coming towards me. The vibrations which I have made you feel right now, I could see you coming towards me. You're on the right path. Keep walking. Keep walking. You can open the eyes whenever comfortable. So I bless you with lots of love and happiness in your life. there is always a choice. There is always a choice. If you're living, there's always a choice. My greetings to God inside you. I'll see you tomorrow. Take good care of yourself. I really care for you. I really care for you. I love you so much. My greetings to God inside you. Love you. Bye bye.